Hey Cindy, thank you for requesting this video. Today I want to talk about crown restoration. But before we get into that, I do want to shed some light on the 3 different ways on how you can be found on Google. So with that, let's get to it. Let's just say that we type in water damage restoration, Selma, Texas. We got these three positions. First one is sponsored up here, which requires paying for Google ads and whatnot to get up here. So the second way you can be found is the Google Business profile, which is your Google Map Pack area. Now it's these three positions here. Notice this is a sponsored one that's paid by ads. So I noticed that uh, you guys are up here, so congratulations. 30% of your business is being acquired through here. Now let's take a quick look at down here. Now you have what we call the organic section. Serve Pro is dominant here, along with Restoration 1. And also you do have, I noticed, your Facebook here. But you would really love to get in this top position. A lot of people, they always pass this section to go to the first business here. So with that in a nutshell, that's pretty much how you can be found in Google. So let's take a quick look at your website and see how wonderful it is. I really like your brand and what you did with it. Crown Restoration. That's really unique. I like your color scheme. That looks really nice. I notice you have these drop downs here, your restoration service, your locations, reviews. Let's take a quick scroll down. That's a beautiful picture of your team. Let's take a quick look. Okay. So by the looks of this, you don't have very much content, and Google really loves content to rank in Google. So Google really loves about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. So you might want to have a little bit more of that. I mean, for every 250 words, you want at least a keyword embedded in that. So let's take a quick look at your competitor. ServPro, I know they're national, so they don't have much as far as content goes, but I'll explain in a minute why they're so dominant. So in this area for content. So well, as far as content goes, they're not very dominant. But as far as being national, I'll just explain to you right now. So the reason why that they are up here is because ServPro is pushing at a national level. Okay, so they're not pushing organically for this service area. You see, so I mean, if we were to refocus and strategize everything toward this service area, we would definitely go above these guys because they are only national focused. Um, so other than that, I mean, as far as content goes, that's about it. So let's take a quick look at your backlinks and keywords and how a present view of your backlink profile is what Google sees. So here is crownrestoration.com. I plugged it in. This is your strength and your trust of your website on Google. Look at how much traffic. You're not really receiving any traffic. It looks like you only have one keyword here. So let's take a quick look. It says one keyword, crown restoration. Okay, so not too many, or excuse me, only one. Google is saying that only one keyword is really making a little bit of headway on your website, and you always want to make sure that we do proper SEO backlinking along with with lots of keywords. So let's take a quick look at your competitor. Now here's your competitor, here's ServPro. Now keep in mind, this backlink profile is based on a national level. So all this traffic is not coming from Selma. So this is just showing them, see it says all locations right here. So basically, so this is kind of what they're doing, but in a nutshell, I guarantee you they're taking all the leads in Selma. So with that being said, I mean, they are actually utilizing everything in their power as far as backlinks goes. They do have a very strong backlink profile um, and a decent trust rating. But as I look at this, they are not ranking organically, so at all. So if they were, then these two numbers would be close to the same, um, as well as their followed referring domains down here. So you want to make sure that those numbers match up. So other than that, I mean, that's pretty much all I have for you. Let's take a quick recap again on what we just discussed. So 3 ways you could be found up here in the sponsored Google area. You're doing very well up here in the second way to be found on your Google Business Profile area, map pack. Keep up that good work. Keep up with citations, everything else, and you'll stay at the top. So with these 3 positions, that's the organic section, and you want your website here because let's face it, your website is pretty much your face, and it's basically like a digital ATM, so to speak. So with that, I hope this information is useful to you. If you happen to need a guide in any of this, just feel free to call me. My name is Joshua. I'm with Peterson SEO. You can call me at 505-331-7995, or you can reach me, Joshua, at petersonseoconsulting.com. Thank you, and I hope that the rest of your day is good to you. Thank you.